y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely fantastic day. Y'all, Christmas is days away. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. So, I hope you guys are all ready. I have a few last little minute things I need to do. I'm done shopping, but I'm not done wrapping presents. So we'll have to get on that. But I hope that, like I said, you are all having a fabulous week. Christmas is days away. Thank you so much for taking time out of what I'm sure is your very busy schedule to watch my video. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, review videos, haul videos, and we unbox all kinds of stuff. It is mainly beauty, but we do throw in like candles, and I actually just did a pet one, all kinds of stuff. So we do it all here. But as you can see today, we do have our December Scentbird. I'm super excited. I love Scentbird. It is $14.95, I believe, a month. And you get one perfume. It is awesome. You can go in, you can select and put into your queue what you want. They have over 500 designer perfumes, and they send you what they say is a 30-day supply, but every single one I have received has lasted much longer than 30 days. And I love that it gives you the option to switch up so you don't smell the same every day. And so yeah, I'm gonna open it. I'm excited. I honestly don't remember because I've put stuff in my queue and don't remember. So even though I know I picked it, it's still kind of like a surprise because I put everything in my queue months ago. So let's get her open. All right, what scent did we get? Gucci Guilty, that's right. What I love about Scentbird, I'll put that back up, I took it down kind of fast. What I love about Scentbird is because I've actually never smelled this, but I do know the scents that I like. And if you are unfamiliar with a particular brand or scent, what is awesome is they tell you the notes of the fragrance, so you kind of can go off of that if you want to try something new. I know the particular notes that I like, and that is how I picked this perfume. It says, a seductive sip of winterberry wine, sweet purple flowers, spice, creamy vanilla, and exotic resin. Gucci Guilty is all pleasure and zero guilt. And it's, the notes here are lilac, jasmine, vanilla, black currant, and pink pepper. Vanilla, amber, scents like that I like. So I really wanted to try it. So it comes every month in this cardboard tube, and you take it, oh, I opened it upside down. You take it out. Your very first month you will receive like an actual twisty that you can swap them out. And then I think it's every 7th month you receive a new tube, so you'll end up getting another one. But this is how it comes. And there you can see it says Gucci Guilty. So here we go. Let's see if my scenting was correct. Oh, that smells good, y'all. That smells really good. Like, amazing. I love it. That's the one thing, again, I love about how they describe the perfume. So if you're not, again, familiar with a scent and you want to try it, but you don't want to break the bank and go spend, you know, $80 to $160 on a bottle of perfume, Scentbird is amazing because you get these designer fragrances for like less than $15 a month. Y'all, this smells amazing. It smells even better now that it's actually kind of set for a second. It smells so good. So I will leave a link down below that, like I said, I think it's like $14.95. It might be $12.95, but I'm pretty sure it's $14.95. So I will put the correct pricing down below. And I will put a link that if you sign up, you'll actually get a free month. So it's awesome. Yeah, my main My brain is going like 100 miles an hour today, y'all. So, like I said, I will put a link for Scentbird down below, as well as, actually you don't need a coupon because the link, like I said, that will get you, like, basically it's like buy one, get one free, buy a month, get a month free. So it's awesome and you will love it. I promise. It just keeps getting, it just smells better and better. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're wanting to try new perfumes, please give Scentbird a try. It is amazing. I fell in love month 1, and every month after has just still blown my mind. I have yet to receive a fragrance that I do not love. And actually, I don't know that if it was last month or the month before. I think it was last month. I received a perfume, and now I don't even remember the name of it. Sorry. That blew my mind. Like, it has absolutely become my favorite. It smells so good. This is a close second though. Like I said, I have not received a perfume yet that I have been disappointed with. They are all amazing. So again, everything will be down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Please give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video and leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk with you in the next video. Bye.